Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix YouTube update problem permanently. To fix YouTube update problems permanently, you can try the following steps. First, you need to update your YouTube app. Go to Play Store. On the top there's a search bar. Tap on there and look out for the YouTube app and open it, and make sure you have the latest version of the YouTube app installed on your device. Updates often include bug fixes and improvements. And also check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Poor connectivity can sometimes cause this issue within the apps as well. Or you could try uninstalling the YouTube app and reinstall back again if none of the above steps work. And this can help resolve any software related issues as well. And by following these steps, you should be able to resolve YouTube update problems permanently. If the issue persists, it may be a more complex problem that requires further investigation by Google Play support. This is it guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you on how to fix YouTube update problem permanently. Do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.